He's climbing. Oh.
Climbing very slowly.
Who are you all with? Are you DWP?
Oh no.
No, telephone? Construction? Oh, the action is here on Parthenia for the new building, I guess. Gonna get some electric in the new building.
Soon. Very soon.
Very soon. Oh, be careful. Oh, this is wonderful. He's going all the way up there. He's going right up there. They have to get electric for the new construction, so now some of those long cables that have been there for years are going to be used. And his fellow workers are down here watching, making sure he's safe. They're watching him very closely. There he is. Oh my goodness, he's up there so high. Oh my goodness. He's securing himself with those belts. He's going to hold himself up there for a while and secure himself as he goes up farther and higher. Building and rebuilding, unbuilding and rebuilding himself so he is very secure. Quite a sight here on Parthenia. More like the sky. It's now November 13th. It's a Thursday, 2014. And these men are talking. They have their trucks down there in the distance, if you can see that. And he's going to do some more stuff here with the ropes. And he takes a drill up there. And that's going to be in the pole. I guess they'll drill a hole in there and make more hooks, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this is quite a procedure. You can hear him grinding. You can see him grinding there.
Stuff might fall in your eyes.
Yeah. I don't want to get in my eyes here. Oh, move back. It's moving. It's moving here. Oh, it's moving down on the ground. You see that? On the ground? Wait a minute. I gotta get back here. He's drilling. Step back. Thank you. Very nice of them to tell me to step back. Let's go on. Huh? And now I'm up above. You can see down there that was the pole that they were drilling in. And in the background, the mountains are all around here. And the sun has broken through. There's quite a bit of cloud action now. And it looks like they've installed something, the construction people, for the electrical situation there at next door. And this is basically A beautiful afternoon, the 13th of November. It is now in the 70s, quite nice, beautiful weather. And this is the scene from up above, looking down on Parthenia, street way below. Way below. And they were working right there, climbing the pole and inserting their links to the electric. And they did not say whether they were DWP or not, so I am assuming that they are actually construction people from next door. But now we're on the 3rd floor from this building looking east, and the construction people are having a discussion over there, possibly about the electric that they just put up on those poles. And you see a bunch of their cars are parked over here to the right of your screen. There's a big covering of dirt, most possibly, or equipment, we don't know, under that huge tarping over there in the middle of this picture. And now we see more of what has happened since the last video of this construction site, because of the fact that the base of it has been secured and the bones, these are really the bare bones of how they build and put the bricks or the cement blocks or whatever they're calling that. As you can see, they have gotten a very good start on that building right there. Originally I thought it was going to be, part of the building that would be on the east part of this lot, but apparently, on the west side. I'm getting myself now mixed up, but originally we thought it would be the west, and where we're shooting down now on more dirt, more tarping, kind of half-heartedly not very well done. There's a dumpster over there and equipment, and there we are. That is the setting for November 13th, 2014. And the consultation by the foreman, the workman down there, is continuing as we pan across here a little bit more above these trees. We can see that they are in deep consultation. There's a sign in the distance that says danger, power lines. So isn't that interesting? They have just put some connection to power lines on that pole outside. And now this guy is on the phone walking across, one of these foremen. He's walking across the lot there. As you can see, he's deep in conversation. I don't know whether it's about the project or maybe he's ordering lunch. Oh, maybe a very late lunch. But I don't think so. I think they've all had their lunch. And it's an excellent day for working because it's cool enough, not screaming, raging heat anymore. So this is the scene on this Thursday, with some sun that had peeped through, and sometimes it's going back under these dark clouds. This man has continued to walk around this lot, and I don't know if we can catch him anymore because he's hidden with a tree now. So that's it for the day, until we see this once again in December.